In this video, I will be reviewing and discussing Base44 versus Replit. So let's get started. If you're choosing between Base44 and Replit, you're probably deciding between back-end infrastructure and a full cloud coding environment. Now, they both help you build online, but they approach it in a completely different way, both of them. So let's break it down clearly so you know which one actually fits your workflow. And let's get started with the similarities. And the first one that we have is build without local setup. Both platforms let you build directly in the cloud. You don't need to configure local servers or complicated environments to get started. That lowers friction for solo builders and small teams. The next point we have is faster than traditional setup. Both reduce the time it takes to launch something. You're skipping manual infrastructure configuration and deployment headaches, so speed is a shared advantage. Lastly, we have startup friendly. Both appeal to founders, indie hackers, and MVP builders. They're designed to remove technical barriers and help you move quickly. Now let's move on to the differences, and the first difference that we have is no code versus full coding. Base44 leans towards no code or backend abstraction. It simplifies infrastructure like database and APIs. Replit is a full coding environment. You write actual code in Python, JavaScript, and many other languages and run it in browser. So if you don't want to code much, then Base44 is simpler, and if you want full coding control, Replit is far more flexible. The next point we have is backend scope. Base44 is focused specifically on backend infrastructure. It gives you structured backend systems without needing DevOps knowledge. Replit is broader. It is essentially a cloud IDE. You can build full stack apps, scripts, bots, websites, anything, but you manage the logic yourself. And so if you want managed backend simplicity, Base44 fits you better, and if you want unlimited coding freedom, Replit is for you. And lastly, we have scalability and power. Replit allows deeper technical customization because you're working directly with code. Base44 limits complexity in exchange for simplicity. If you're building complex technical systems, Replit is stronger. And if you're building structured apps quickly without engineering overhead, Base44 is more efficient. So it all comes down to the questions that do you want maximum coding freedom? If yes, then Replit is better choice for you. Or do you want a minimum technical friction? Then Base44 makes more sense. So this is what will help you decide between Base44 and Replit. So guys, that will be it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.